Hello there. Today, we'll explore 5 key strategies to boost your website's conversion rates and turn visitors into loyal customers. Let's dive in. First things first, ensure your website has a clear and compelling value proposition. Clearly communicate what sets your product or service apart from the competition. Make it easy for visitors to understand how you can solve their problems or meet their needs. Next, focus on creating a seamless user experience. Your website should be easy to navigate, with intuitive menus and a clean design. Optimize for mobile users, ensuring a consistent experience across all devices. A smooth journey increases the likelihood of conversions. Craft persuasive call-to-action buttons. Use action-oriented language, and make sure they stand out visually. Whether it's buy now, sign up, or get started, a compelling CTA motivates visitors to take the next step. Build trust with your audience by incorporating trust signals. Display customer testimonials, showcase industry certifications, and highlight any awards or recognition your business has received. Trust is a powerful driver of conversions. Continuously optimize through A/B testing. Experiment with different elements such as headlines, images, and CTA buttons to identify what resonates best with your audience. Data-driven decisions lead to improved conversion rates. In just 5 minutes, you've gained insights into enhancing your website's conversion rates. Ready to take your conversion game to the next level? We are offering a free consultation to help you tailor these strategies to your unique needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your website into a conversion powerhouse. Click the link below to schedule your free consultation now. Let's make your online presence work for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.